Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your VIP mobile number, focusing on the singular, most effective method. A VIP number, often called a fancy number, features unique or memorable digit sequences, making it highly desirable. These numbers are valued for personal branding, business credibility, and ease of recall, offering a distinct advantage. Before proceeding, it is crucial to confirm your legitimate ownership of the number with your current telecom provider to ensure a smooth and legal transaction. The value of a VIP number varies significantly, depending on its unique pattern, rarity, and current market demand. Highly sought-after sequences can command prices reaching thousands of dollars. Specialized online marketplaces are the most effective and legitimate platforms for selling these numbers, as they connect you directly with a wide pool of interested buyers. To ensure a smooth transaction, prepare all necessary documentation, including your identity and address proofs, which are essential for the ownership transfer. Once you've chosen a reputable online marketplace, list your VIP number with clear details and a competitive asking price. When a buyer is secured, the critical next step involves generating a unique porting code, or UPC, from your existing telecom operator. The buyer will then use this UPC to initiate a mobile number portability, or MNP, request with their preferred service provider. This MNP process is the legal mechanism that transfers the number's ownership to the new subscriber, typically taking 2 to 4 days for activation. Once the mobile number portability process is complete and the number is successfully activated for the buyer, you can finalize the payment. Always use secure payment methods, ideally those facilitated by the online marketplace, to protect both yourself and the buyer. Ensure all transfer formalities are completed in strict accordance with local telecom regulations. Following these precise steps through a trusted platform is the only legitimate and secure way to sell your valuable VIP mobile number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.